Ho! Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to my another brand new toy video. Today we have a lots of powerful motorbike. Now I'm gonna show you beautiful blue color অসাধারণ একটি motorbike. Wow, চমৎকার একটি পুলিশ blue color. And then here is a beautiful and white color police motorbike. These are super police motorbike. So guys, देखा इधर में बहुत ही अच्छा अच्छा पुलिस बाइक है. So and then I'm gonna show you beautiful डॉट motorbike. Guys, ये है बहुत अच्छा कलर कॉम्बिनेशन. डॉट motorbike है ये, खूब ही चमत्कार और साधारण है ये. Wow, beautiful. Look at this. असाधारण मोटर बाइक, बहुत ही सुंदर है ये. एंड देन आई एम गोना शो यू सुपर मोटर बाइक, a green color super motorbike. Wow, this vehicle is a very interesting and powerful sport mode. Wow, and then here is another one, police motorbike, a blue color police motorbike, white and blue color combination. And then here is a white color police motorbike, beautiful and colorful motorbike. So wow, অসাধারণ beautiful. And then last, why happy, beautiful, another one super sports motorbike. So guys, that's all for today. Thanks for the watching. Till then, take care. See you on the next video. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. Bye bye.